Hmm?
Hi, Geekling.
Hi, Geekling. You're my Geekling. If you call me Geek, then you're my Geekling.
Hi, Geek.
Hi, Geek. Is Daddy a geek?
Now, Daddy's here.
Daddy's a hero?
Yeah.
How does he get to be a hero and then I get to be the geek? That doesn't seem right. Are you a geek?
Alicia.
I'm Alicia. What's my name?
Yeah.
What's Mommy's name?
Alicia.
That's right. My name's Alicia. What's your name?
I do.
You're 2. That's your age. But what's your name is Daphne.
I named my mom.
That's your name. Can you say it?
Mama Ali.
My mom's Eileen. That's right.
Yeah.
What's Pop-Up?
Papa here.
Pop-Up's the hero?
Yeah.
And his name's Ed.
I.
Uh-huh. And Gigi's name is Betsy. Can you say Betsy?
Daphne.
Uh-huh. And Happy's name is Norm. Can you say Norm?
Mama.
And Mom?
Yeah.
What's Mom's name?
Mama here.
Mom's the hero too?
Mama Ali.
Eileen.
Ali.
Eileen, very good. Is Mommy a superwoman?
It's a pie.
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, you don't like that part? Daphne, you're pretty smart. I love you, kiddo.
No.
Yes, I do love you. I love you. That's a matter of fact, not to be debated.
No.
Say, I love you. I love you. Later, kiddo. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. Adios. What's that? You can see your bag in your mouth. Chew and chew. Chew, chew, chew. What song is that? Great, we're fueling a toddler who already has so much energy. We're going to have to burn this off somehow. Maybe at the PARK. Alright, bye kiddo. Signing off. Say bye. You blow a kiss? I caught it. Hmm?
I got it.
You caught your kiss? Here. Mwah. I blow your kiss. Where do you think you're going? Daphne? Where are you going? You sit in your chair. Stay seated.
I'm stuck.
Are you done? Yeah, you're stuck for a reason. That's why there's straps and everything.
Yeah.
Toddler jail. We have an escapee.
Miss Bella.
Is that better?
Yeah.
That's dangerous. Sit down.